Hey friends, are you dreaming of your next big getaway? Do you feel that familiar itch for exploration? A yearning to discover new cultures and create unforgettable memories? Well, get ready to pack your bags and prepare for an experience unlike any other. We're about to unveil the hottest travel destination for 2025, a place brimming with vibrant energy, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes. Ready for an adventure? An adventure that will tantalize your senses, ignite your spirit, and leave you with stories to tell for years to come. An adventure that combines ancient wonders with modern marvels, bustling cityscapes with serene natural beauty. If the answer is a resounding yes, then keep watching, because we're about to take you on a virtual journey to a land that's capturing the hearts of travelers worldwide. This year, everyone's talking about one place: Mexico. It's the destination on everyone's lips, the country-topping travel lists, and the place where unforgettable experiences are waiting to be discovered. From seasoned globetrotters to first-time adventurers, Mexico is calling out to all those who seek something truly special. And believe me, there's nowhere else like it. Mexico is a land of contrasts, a tapestry woven with threads of ancient history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. It's a place where you can explore the mysteries of the Mayan civilization one day and relax on pristine beaches the next. It's a destination that caters to every taste and passion, offering something for everyone. From exciting cities, pulsing with energy and overflowing with culture, to ancient ruins, whispering tales of empires long past, Mexico is a mix of color, a vibrant explosion of hues that will awaken your senses and fill your soul with joy. From the brightly painted buildings of colonial towns to the dazzling displays of traditional crafts, every corner of Mexico is a feast for the eyes. Culture, a rich and diverse heritage that has been shaped by centuries of history and tradition. Immerse yourself in the vibrant celebrations, witness the captivating dances, and discover the warmth and hospitality of the Mexican people. And amazing experiences. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures or moments of peaceful relaxation, Mexico has something to offer every traveler. Imagine walking through busy markets, a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and smells that will transport you to another world. Smelling spices and sizzling tortillas, the aroma of authentic Mexican cuisine fills the air, tempting you with its irresistible flavors. Picture yourself swimming in clear cenotes, hidden oases of tranquility where you can escape the heat and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. With sunlight shining on the turquoise water, the ethereal glow creates a magical atmosphere, making you feel as though you've stepped into another world. Feel the rhythm of salsa music, the infectious beat that will get your feet moving and your heart racing as you learn to dance like a local. Embrace the passion and energy of the Mexican culture as you twirl and sway to the music. Mexico is calling, promising adventure and wonder. It's a land where dreams come alive, where memories are made, and where the spirit of adventure is always within reach. Are you ready to answer? Are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? The adventure of 2025 awaits you in Mexico. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today and get ready to experience the magic of Mexico. All right, buckle up, foodies. We're diving headfirst into a culinary adventure, a vibrant exploration of flavors that will tantalize your senses and leave you craving more. Get ready to experience the heart and soul of a culture through its most delicious offerings. Mexican food is a party in your mouth, a fiesta of tastes and textures that explode with every single bite. It's more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a vibrant tapestry woven with ancient traditions and modern culinary innovation. Each dish tells a story, a narrative passed down through generations, reflecting the rich history and diverse landscapes of this incredible country. It's full of flavors that will make you want more. From the earthy notes of roasted peppers to the bright tang of lime, from the savory depth of slow-cooked meats to the sweet kiss of caramelized onions, every ingredient plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of sensations. Prepare to be captivated, because once you've experienced the magic of authentic Mexican cuisine, you'll be forever hooked. Let's start with the iconic tacos al pastor. Imagine succulent marinated pork, slowly roasted on a vertical spit, its smoky aroma filling the air. Thinly sliced and nestled in warm corn tortillas, topped with fresh cilantro, diced onions, and a drizzle of tangy pineapple salsa, these tacos are a true masterpiece of street food artistry. Then there's the rich flavors of mole sauce, a complex and deeply satisfying concoction that's been perfected over centuries. Made with a blend of chilies, spices, nuts, seeds, and even chocolate, mole is a labor of love, a testament to the dedication and passion of Mexican cooks. Each region boasts its own unique variation, from the dark and smoky mole negro of Oaxaca to the bright and fruity mole poblano. And trust me, every bite is amazing. It's an explosion of textures and tastes that dance across your palate, leaving you utterly speechless. The combination of sweet, savory, spicy, and smoky notes is simply irresistible. To truly immerse yourself in the culinary scene, walk through the bustling markets, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Here, you'll find vendors selling their food with a smile, eager to share their culinary creations with the world. These are the heart and soul of Mexican street food, the passionate individuals who pour their love and expertise into every dish. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation, ask questions, and learn about the ingredients and techniques that go into making these incredible meals. Be sure to try esquites, a beloved street food snack that's both refreshing and satisfying. It's a yummy mix of corn, cheese, and lime, a delightful combination of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors that will leave you wanting more. The corn is typically grilled or roasted to perfection, then mixed with creamy mayonnaise, crumbled cheese, a squeeze of lime juice, and a sprinkle of chili powder for a touch of heat. And for a sweet treat, eat churros with cinnamon sugar. These crispy golden brown pastries are the perfect way to end any meal. But be careful, things can get spicy. Mexican cuisine is known for its bold flavors and generous use of chilies, so be prepared for a fiery kick. I'll never forget the first time I tried habanero salsa. I thought I could handle the heat, but I was quickly proven wrong. My mouth was on fire. It felt like a volcano had erupted in my mouth, and I was desperately searching for something to cool it down. But it's all part of the fun, right? The thrill of the spice, the challenge of pushing your limits, and the shared experience of suffering and laughing with your friends. It's what makes Mexican food so memorable. And when the heat gets to be too much, don't forget to drink an ice-cold agua fresca, the perfect antidote to spicy food. It's a refreshing mix of fruit and water, a light and flavorful beverage that will quench your thirst and soothe your palate. From the classic flavors of watermelon and hibiscus to the more exotic combinations of mango and chili, there's an agua fresca for every taste. So get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will awaken your senses and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the vibrant flavors of Mexico. Your taste buds will be happy, your stomach will be full, and your heart will be filled with the warmth and hospitality of the Mexican people. Buen provecho! Outside the cities and towns, there's a world of nature waiting to be explored. Swim in a cenote, a natural pool with clear water. Hike through jungles, where monkeys play and birds sing. Relax on beautiful beaches, where the sand meets the blue Caribbean Sea. If you're adventurous, try surfing, ziplining, or even swimming with whale sharks. Mexico's nature is amazing. Prepare to be captivated by a nation where every corner tells a story, where the past dances with the present in a vibrant tapestry of traditions. Mexico's history is as colorful as its culture. It's a land brimming with life, art, music, and flavors that will ignite your senses and leave you breathless. From ancient civilizations to modern-day celebrations, Mexico offers an unparalleled cultural experience. Embark on a journey through time as you explore ancient Mayan ruins. These majestic sites stand as testaments to a civilization that thrived for centuries, leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels and profound knowledge. Discover the wonders of iconic landmarks like Chichen Itza, where the towering pyramid of Kukulkan dominates the landscape. Marvel at the intricate carvings and astronomical alignments that reveal the Mayans' deep understanding of the cosmos. Imagine the rituals and ceremonies that once unfolded within these sacred grounds. And venture to Teotihuacan, a sprawling metropolis that once rivaled the greatest cities of the ancient world. Walk along the Avenue of the Dead, flanked by monumental pyramids and temples, and feel the energy of a civilization that shaped the course of Mesoamerican history. As you explore these archaeological treasures, you'll see the amazing buildings from long ago, each stone whispering tales of kings and priests, warriors and artisans. These structures are not just relics of the past, they are living monuments to the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit. Immerse yourself in the vibrant spectacle of the Day of the Dead celebration, a unique and deeply meaningful tradition that honors the memory of deceased loved ones. Witness how families remember their loved ones with heartfelt offerings, creating altars adorned with flowers, candles, and cherished mementos. It's a time of remembrance, reflection, and celebration of life. Be mesmerized by the colorful decorations, from vibrant marigolds to intricate paper cutouts, that transform cemeteries and homes into dazzling displays of love and remembrance. Admire the artistry of sugar skulls, intricately decorated with vibrant colors and patterns, each one a unique tribute to a departed soul. Join the jubilant Day of the Dead parades, where elaborate costumes, music, and dancing fill the streets with an infectious energy. Experience the joy and camaraderie as communities come together to celebrate life and honor their ancestors. Let the soul-stirring sounds of mariachi music transport you to the heart of Mexico. Feel the rhythm of the guitars as skilled musicians strum melodies that have echoed through generations. Listen to the passionate voices of mariachi singers, their voices soaring with emotion as they share stories of love, loss, and triumph. These songs are more than just music. They are living chronicles, telling stories of love and history, of heroes and villains, of the joys and sorrows that have shaped the Mexican identity. Appreciate the delicate beauty of papel picado, the intricate paper cutouts that adorn streets and homes with their vibrant colors and whimsical designs. These paper banners that decorate streets and homes are not just decorations, they are symbols of celebration, festivity, and the enduring spirit of Mexican culture. Each design tells a story, reflecting the rich traditions and artistic heritage of the country. Mexico's culture is a captivating mix of old and new, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern influences. It's a place where you can explore ancient ruins one day and experience the vibrant nightlife of a bustling city the next. This rich and diverse tapestry of experiences is waiting for you to discover it. Come and immerse yourself in the magic of Mexico, where every moment is an opportunity to create unforgettable memories. Mexico City, with its cool museums, is super exciting. Walk through the streets of old towns like San Miguel de Allende and Guanajuato with their colorful buildings. Visit the peaceful villages of Oaxaca. Shop for handmade clothes and pottery in the markets. From busy cities to quiet villages, Mexico has something for everyone. One of the best parts of traveling is the funny things that happen. Like the time I tried to order a beer but accidentally asked for a pregnant beer. The bartender laughed a lot. Or the time I tried to salsa dance for the first time, and I kept tripping while people cheered me on. Don't worry about making mistakes and enjoy the friendly and funny Mexican people. Mexico is more than just beaches and food. It's a country with a big heart. It's the friendly people, always smiling and saying hello. It's the energy in the streets, a love for life that you can't resist. It's the way old traditions are still part of everyday life, from the Day of the Dead to the markets full of handmade things. Mexico's spirit is strong and it's waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Mexico is calling, promising adventure, culture, and amazing experiences. Pack your bags, get ready for adventure, and get ready to love this magical country. Maybe you'll even learn to salsa dance, or at least order a beer the right way. Let's go to Mexico!